Morning tasks begin. We follow the path to the fields. The air is crisp.
The morning mist feels cool. This is the best part of the day.
Come on out, my little ones. Look at the beautiful day.
You'll be comfortable here. Oh, my little one. Come on, you old mule. We're almost home. The mountain air feels so fresh today. Yes, and the harvest is bountiful. May it sustain us through the winter. The eagle. It signals midday. Life here is good. Ah, look at this wonderful harvest. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yes, so much goodness. The winter will be long. We must fill them all. Almost there. These sacks are heavy today. I am ready to grind the barley. Look at this gift from the mountain. It fills our hearts with warmth. Fresh. Go on, try a piece. Time to start lunch. Let's make this dough perfect. Time to get this ready. Yeah. Making this bread reminds me of my grandmother. The wood is dry, it will make good embers. See how quickly it burns. The oven is ready. Now to divide the dough into perfect rounds. This is how we make our naan here in the mountains. Soft and thin. They are almost ready. The scent is lovely. Ah, the last one. Warm and perfect. Ah, the last one. Warm and perfect. The mountain air makes you hungry. This is how we make it shine.
Be careful, it's hot. This is delicious. Thank you.
I needed that rest. This bread is perfect. It smells delicious. Nothing beats fresh air and warm bread after a good day's work. The mountain air feels so fresh today. Yes, perfect for sewing. Ah, that's better. So refreshing. Sweeping the day's flour. It's good work. Salam, Khoda Hafiz, may God be your protector.
Wa alaikum salam. May you never be weary, sister.
The water is cool and fresh today. Enough for the family.
Like this, my son. See?
I see.
Now you try. Carefully.
I did it.
That's wonderful. You did so well making this. Try it. Wow. Thank you, Mama.
Look, my son. See how the valley changes. It's so purple, Mother.
Ah, just like Mama used to make. The evening meal will be ready soon, my family. The onions are sliced. Now we add the herbs to make it perfect. The stew is almost ready. I hope you enjoy it. चलो अंदर अंदर सफार हो जाओ शाम हो गई I've got the rugs from outside. It's getting a bit chilly out there. Good, bring them inside and we can relax. Still soft and delicious. The table is set. Let's eat.
That smells delicious.
It does, grandfather. Look at you too.
The stew is ready.
There's too much.
Smells wonderful.
بفرمایید نوش جان.
نوش جان.
In the mountains lived a great dragon.
A dragon?
Yes, and he breathed fire, just like our stove.
Wow.
Here you are, fresh and hot. Thank you. And for you. Ah, that's just right. Fresh mint, the best part of coming home.
Sleep now, little one. It is late. The heartbeat of nature. The mountain air bites, but here it is warm and peaceful.